South Carolina is now prepared to carry out executions by lethal injection. That means all three methods of execution outlined in state law are now available after more than a decade. We spoke with an upstate attorney who breaks down what that means for the future of executions in the state and the inmates currently on death row. This week, Governor Henry McMaster informed the South Carolina Supreme Court that the State Department of Corrections has obtained a drug needed to carry out lethal injections. It's a drug that the department hasn't been able to secure in more than 10 years.
And the reason that the drug has not been available, and this has been kind of a nationwide issue, is that these pharmaceutical companies were asking for protection from lawsuits from the individual states so that they could provide the drug without being subject to lawsuits by people who are executed or their families.
But recent action at the State House changed that. This year, the General Assembly passed a law to enact what's called the SHIELD statute. It offers privacy to the makers of lethal injection drugs sold to the state. But the drug availability isn't the only reason executions stopped. Former federal and state prosecutor Brandy Hinton says other litigation involving death by firing squad and electric chair has stalled executions as well, meaning just because the drug is now available does not mean the state will see executions immediately resume.
I fully anticipate additional litigation, as there always is. And as you'll remember, back when executions were occurring and in other states, there's a whole appeals process leading up to the execution as well. And it can get as far as the governor's office and the governor's desk. And so I do not anticipate that we will be seeing executions rapidly returning. I think there will be litigation that stalls it probably even longer.
In the statement announcing South Carolina has the drug, Governor McMaster said, quote, "Justice has been delayed for too long in South Carolina. This filing brings our state one step closer to being able to once again carry out the rule of law and bring grieving families and loved ones the closure they're rightfully owed." But I also spoke to those today who are against the possibility of bringing back lethal injection and the death penalty. Hillary Taylor with South Carolinians for Alternatives to the Death Penalty said in part, quote, "The fact is the death penalty is not a deterrent. It does nothing to deter, prevent, or address violence here in South Carolina. What it does is it perpetuates violence. It perpetuates trauma." Right now, South Carolina has 34 inmates on its death row. The last time an execution was carried out in the state was May of 2011.